Good day everyone, especially our beloved instructor, Forester Charemy Nomeron. Today that I will be discussing all about the harvesting methods and techniques. So there are three types of importance of sustainable harvesting. First is provides over-exploitation, maintaining ecosystem services and support the rural livelihood. So the explain is the importance of sustainable harvesting, and sustainable harvesting is a virtual. It provides over exploitation of the forest and maintaining ecosystem services like clean air, water and carbon storage. And the support of livelihood is a rural and indigenous communities. Next is harvesting method. Selective logging removes only specific trees, maintaining the forest structures and forests in the Sierra Madre. Clear cutting. All trees in an area are cut. The high impact about allows for the fast timber recovery. For example, in the industrial plantations like peacock in Bislig, especially if followed by a planting. Then next is shelter wood and seeds tree ecosystem. The same mature tree are left standing and to aid the nature regeneration. Promotes the forest revenue while allowing harvest. Then three is harvesting techniques. The annual techniques, tools, axe or hard saws or chainsaws. For example, commonly used by small scales loggers and upland communities. Then the next is machineral techniques. Machines like pillar, branches and harvesters. The more effective but expensive used for in large scale operations. The aerial techniques. Helicopter logging, ideal for remote or steps routine like mountain forest. Cable logging used for ropes to remove logs. Reduce the needs for road construction and minimizing the environmental damage. Then the second is challenges the forestation and illegal logging. Illegal logging is protected areas or destroying forests. The climate change affects harm seeds growth caused by the more pests and problems. Then land use conflicts. Forests are cleared for farming, maintaining and cities. Then high cost. Sustainable harvesting and machines are equipment is too expensive. So the cause of illegal logging is to destroy our remaining forest. For that to know our forest is have been lost. So there are many governments is capable to manage or maintaining the biodiversity conservation. So that's all my report, and thank you for watching.